reality. Hi, I'm Chad, and welcome to my video. Unless you're a subscriber or a regular viewer, this might not be the most interesting video for you to watch. I hope you enjoyed the virtual reality Tuono poll. That was definitely a computer simulation of what it would be like for a Tuono factory with an SE Project exhaust to accelerate fast. But yeah, this one's just going to be a little catch-up, so unless you want to hear about what I've been up to, I'm just going to drop another video up above that you can check out that might be a little bit more interesting and entertaining. Now, if you have watched my videos, and if you are subscribed and active on my channel, commenting everything, really appreciate you. Thank you guys. You make doing this so much more fun than it would be if I was just doing it by myself. As you might have noticed, or might not have noticed, I haven't really put out any content in the last week and a half or so. I had every intention of doing so, but it just didn't work out for a couple of reasons. First, I went on vacation for all of last week. Went back east to visit some family that I haven't seen since before the pandemic began, so that was really nice. I had pre-recorded a few videos that I had every intention to edit and post, but all the family activities just took priority and I ended up not really having the time to do it. In addition to that, this week has been particularly busy for me because first, I just got back to work from being out for a week, and as many of you might know, that means I had a lot of stuff to catch up on. So that's been cutting into my what would be my after hours writing time. In addition to that, I've been taking care of the final preparations that I've needed to make to go racing this weekend. So Friday, it'll be tomorrow from when I post this, is the day I will be taking the new racer orientation or new racer school to get certified for my competition license. Saturday I will be qualifying, and Sunday I will be racing. And I plan to document all of it. So I will be posting some videos next week and or the week after, just highlighting the experience, what it's like to start not being a racer and making the jump from being a track day rider to a racer. I'm really excited for that. I'm actually on the way to the store to get some yellow tape right now because I need to put tape on my bike so that I can put a number on it. Amateurs need a yellow backing with a black number. And I just thought it would be nice to get out, make a quick video, just let you guys know that I'm still here. So content will be back next week. Thanks for watching. I'd appreciate it if you sent me some good vibes and support and wishes of good fortune and luck. Perhaps I will place well in one of my races and just overall have a good time. But I'm excited to share that with you guys next week, and I hope to catch you then. Later.